Hey guys. So in this clip, I'm going to go over two key elements. One is going to be utilizing a clipping mask, and two is going to be bringing stamp brushes to life. So I've combined the two together into one little baby, and we're just going to start. I hope this helps. Okay, first thing we're going to get into is a clipping mask. So you're going to go to your layers and hit new layer. Okay. Now we're going to pick a dark green, and I'm going to be using for demonstration this tree. It's a stamp. There it is. Okay. Now, when you look at it, it doesn't really have too much dimension. It has a little bit here and there. By the way, I think these brushes are phenomenal. I will link them below so you can use them. But we can definitely spruce this up. So I'm going to show you my technique using a clipping mask on how to liven it up a bit. So first thing we're going to do is add a new layer. Okay, you're going to tap on the square on the left and hit clipping mask. Now, everything that's on this layer is going to go directly onto the tray. It's not going to go anywhere else, only on the tray. All right, so let's pick out a new color, a light green, just something bright, so that way we have a good demonstration. And I'm going to go to airbrushing and get my soft brush. It's in the pack, so everyone should have it. Okay. Making sure I'm on my layer. We're going to set the opacity to about 5%. The brush size. And the opacity is going to be about 91%. Now, in circular motions at the top of the tray, I'm going to zoom in here so you can see better. We're just moving around the brush very sporadically here and there in like a zigzag pattern. That's it. Just super quick like that. Now let's grab some yellow. Like the sun is hitting the tree. And I'm going to start at the top. Now this is a very bright yellow, a very bright green that I'm using, obviously. But I just want you guys to really see what you can do to change a stamp very quickly and easily. So I'm just moving the yellow around. That's way too much. Hello. All right. So that's pretty much it. Oh, we forgot to do the bark of the tree. So let's get a dark brown. And zoom in a little bit. Okay. How's it look? I think in comparison to this, it's much better.